In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom 404 error page in Wix. Whether you're a seasoned website developer or a beginner just starting out, having a personalized 404 page is a great way to enhance your user experience and keep your brand consistent. So, let's dive into the process together. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your Wix editor. Once you're in the editor, you'll see a drop-down menu near the top left, right next to the word Home. Go ahead and click on that drop-down menu. This is where you manage all the pages of your site, so it's an essential spot to know your way around. Next, from the list that appears, you'll want to select Manage Pages. This menu gives you the ability to edit, add, or delete pages from your site, and is the hub for navigating the structure of your website. Once you're in the Manage Pages section, look for the option that says Add Menu Item. Give it a click. Now, you'll see a couple of options pop up, but what you're interested in here is the New Page. Clicking on this will lead you to another menu, giving you the chance to create a brand new page for your site. The next step is crucial for this tutorial. You need to select 404 Error Page from the templates available. Wix offers a variety of page types, but for today's task, we're focusing on the 404 Error Page. By choosing this option, you're tailoring a specific experience for users who might land on a page that doesn't exist. It's a chance to keep their interaction with your brand positive, even when something goes wrong. After you've selected the 404 error page, look for a button that says Add Page. Clicking this will officially introduce a new customizable page to your site. You've now laid the groundwork for your custom error page, making sure that visitors who encounter a wrong link are met with a thoughtfully designed page rather than the default. When you're done with adding the page, you'll want to check out the default look before customizing it. To do this, click on Preview Default Error Page. This allows you to see the standard 404 page in its current form. From here, you can decide on what changes you might want to make to better align it with your brand's aesthetic and messaging. By following these steps, you've successfully set up a custom 404 page on your Wix site. Remember, a well-designed 404 page isn't just a technical necessity, it's an opportunity to keep your audience engaged, even when they hit a wrong turn. Keep exploring unique ways to make this page reflect who you are as a brand. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Happy website building!